Hello guys, how to turn on wireless capability for Windows 10 for laptop Dell E5520. First of all, we will try the troubleshooter, but I tried it's not working. This is the first thing. The second thing is to write here in the search NCB and then click on wireless notebook connection. And then here you have Wi-Fi 2, click right, and then it's a disabled connect. Try this one and try this one also enable. This one is not working. This one is. So connecting it, properties. The second thing is to try properties here, and we have to check before properties. Okay, that's nice. Sharing. Okay.